Yo, I only have 2 to 3 minutes before I get to a bad spot. I only have 2 or 3 minutes before I get to a bad spot. Sure. Yeah, you sent me a text. Cool. Nice. Brian's got a good relationship. Brian's got a good relationship with Grambling and Harper. That's in Cane Bay. Yeah, Eddie's doing it. Yeah, Brian's is right beside the Walmart. Eddie's doing the Walmart. Brian's doing Audi. Cool. I don't want to shift gears on you, but if we found a better spot closer to Somerville, you think your guy would rather do Somerville for a little bit cheaper land and more land? Because we're working on one closer to you. Are you familiar with a neighborhood called Summers Corner in the ponds? But this is just south and east of Somerville, and it's a much bigger tract, so we might be able to give up more land. But the ballpark will probably help us with the town to get some approvals, because right now it doesn't have all the approvals that we need. Okay. Yeah, somewhere between 2 and 3 million. Yeah, but if we can end up with, if we end up with more land over there and more approvals, we might be able to get you, like some townhomes and all that, to even cut it down even more. But anyway, well, it's like, I don't want to shift the conversation there yet because we don't have it, but it's a possibility. Yeah, there's no way. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, they hadn't even started a zoning application yet, which is, 8-month process in Berkeley County, because they have all those pre-meetings. That's part of the pre-meetings. But if they lift the moratorium, they're going to approve the project. They're not going to approve the project without lifting. The good thing about the moratorium is if you go, they'll deny it early, so you're not wasting $100,000 chasing a dead end. All right. Yep, I'm about to lose you. Tomorrow's good. Tomorrow's good. Sorry.
It's all right.